Linking your business account to Unit Finance is a straightforward process that can help you manage your finances more effectively. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Create a Unit Finance account. Before changing your settings, use the Asher.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Log into your account. Once your account is created, log in using your email and password. Navigate to the dashboard where you will find options to link your business account. Step 3. Select Link Account. Look for the option that says Link Account or Connect Bank Account. Click on it to proceed. You may be prompted to choose your bank from a list or enter your bank's details manually. Step 4. Enter bank credentials. Follow the prompts to enter your bank account credentials. This may include your account number, routing number, and any other required information. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any linking issues. Step 5. Confirm and complete the linking process. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, submit the information. You should receive a notification or confirmation message indicating that your business account has been successfully linked to Unit Finance. By following these steps, you can easily link your business account to Unit Finance and start managing your finances more efficiently. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section on the Unit Finance website for additional support.